The rollaway bed can be assembled within several minutes. Just unfold it and you are ready to go. The folding mattress comes with a clip to hold it tight when not in use, fits the frame perfectly. Doesn't move with weight and needs no special adjustments. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile folding cot. Accommodate your guests, have your kids' friends for a sleepover, or make a quick setup even in the office to catch your noon snooze with Gold Star portable folding cot to give yourself the ultimate experience of comfort. Best multipurpose folding bed. Number 2. Superior build with premium quality steel tubing, double reinforcements, and stabilizing legs. The steel folding cot sturdily maintains balance with no worry of the folding bed toppling over. The folding mattress has 600D Oxford cloth for extra support, suspension, and elasticity, which is way better than wooden support. Number 3. Portable folding bed. Lightweight and portable with 300 pounds weight capacity, this travel folding cot can be easily moved around, making repositioning or transport hassle-free. The outdoor bed folds into a compact box shape that's just 7 inches thick for easy storage. Number 4. Comfortable memory foam mattress. Made from high-density, super soft, and 3 inches thick breathable memory foam, the 31 inches by 75 inches by 14 inches size foam folding cot contours to the shape of the body and can accommodate people of various heights for ultimate comfort, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.